Hello cubers, welcome to RS Cubers. So in this video we are going to learn today how do we solve this Pyraminx cube. So in this video in just 3 simple steps I am going to teach you how do we solve this Pyraminx cube step by step. So basically first of all we will learn the structure of Pyraminx cube. So in Pyraminx cube these pieces are called as corner pieces which has 3 colors 1, 2 and 3. And in full Pyraminx cube there are in total 4 corner pieces 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these pieces are called as corner pieces. After that we have center pieces. Center pieces in the sense which has only one color. So this is a centerpiece for Pyraminx cube. This is also a centerpiece for Pyraminx cube and this is also centerpiece. And after that we have edge pieces. Edge pieces in the sense which has two colors. So see, you can see this edge piece has two colors, blue and red. So this is the edge piece. Then again, this is blue and green. So this is also edge piece. Again here, blue and yellow. So this is also an edge piece. At one side, there are three edge pieces and three center pieces. Okay. So this is the structure of the Pyraminx cube. As in Pyraminx cube, there are only four colors. Okay, four different colors which we are going to solve. So basically now I have scrambled the cube, you can see. So in this cube the very first step that we have to find a RGB corner. Now what is a RGB corner, that I'll tell you. So see, R means red, G means green and B means blue. So we have to find this corner in our cube. So the very first rule, when we get the RGB corner, the very first rule is that we have to keep always this RGB corner on the top. We have to keep RGB corner always on the top. So see, I have got the RGB corner. One more hint to search the RGB corner is the corner which does not contain yellow color is the RGB corner. So see, I have got this RGB corner. So the once I got the RGB corner, I'll keep it on the top, and this is the perfect position to hold the cube for solving my Pyraminx cube with the beginner's method. So my RGB corner is on the top now. So I'm going to move it simply like this and see the corner is matched now. So like this, all the corners which are in the bottom also, which are in the below layer, that also I'm going to match now. So by simply moving it once or twice, I'll match it. So this is also matched, and yeah, this is also matched. Now you can see the four corners which I was having are matched. So after matching all the small corners, we have to search this diamond shape of yellows. Like it is also look like a kaju katli. Okay, so like this, when we get a diamond shape, simply we have to move this layer. We have to take this layer down by moving it like this. So here I can see one more diamond shape. So yeah, again I'll take it down. Diamond shape in the sense the pair of corner and center. Wherever we look, wherever we see the pair of corner and center of yellow color, we have to take it down. Now I don't have any pair of yellow corner and center. Now automatically you can see our first step is done, which means see, we have three pairs at one side. So this is one, this is two, this is three. It is created in the bottom. So this is the very first step, creating the bringing three pairs at one side. After this, the second step. Now basically we have completed the first step, that bringing all the pairs of corner and center at one side. So as I told, we have to keep always this RGB corner on the top side. So in the starting we have learned the edge pieces. Now the very second step is we have to search the yellow edge pieces. Now you can see in my cube I have a yellow edge piece over here. So see, this yellow edge piece contains yellow and blue color. So already this yellow edge piece is matched with the center, because see, this is yellow and this is blue, and this blue is matched with the center. In this step we have to see the side color, we see the attached color of the yellow. So this yellow edge piece contains blue color. So we have to match this blue with the blue center. Now it is already matched, so no need to move the upper layer to match. So if when it is matched, we have to face the matched side. Okay, after facing this side, we have to see where is our yellow, at our right side or at our left side. So my yellow, I can see it is at my right side. So when it is at right side, we have to do a simple notations, okay, which is L prime. L prime means left up. We have to do left up. Okay, then we have to do U, which means this piece we have to insert it over here, and we have to take this piece down, which is L. Okay, so in the starting I have not told you the notations of the cube. Basically we are learning it. This cube is very simple, so basically we are learning it with just the movements, so it will be simple to understand. So again I'll repeat the thing, when the edge piece is matched with the center, okay, simply if it's in the right side, you have to, just take the opposite side up like this, then you have to insert the thing and then you have to take it down again. So like that, let me search more yellow edge pieces. Now I can see I don't have any any of the yellow edge piece on the top. My yellow is done, but I can see this is not called as a perfect yellow. This is not called as a perfect yellow because see, these pieces are inserted wrong over here. So what I'm going to do is, see, I can see here the red color should be there. So this piece is inserted wrong over here. So what I'll do is I'll remove it. To remove it, I'll simply do up, side and down. So I have done upside down and you can see I have a yellow edge piece over here. So this yellow edge piece contains green color. So I'll match this green color with the green color. Now I have matched this green color with the green color. Okay, now this time it is at the left side. So when the yellow is matched, yellow and green pair is matched with the green center, obviously I have to face this side green where I have matched the edge piece with the center piece. Then I'll simply do up. Now see, it is at the left side, so I'll do up from opposite side, which is R, right up. Then after that I have to insert this piece over here, which is UI. So this is inserted. So after that I'll do RI, which is again down, right down. So you can see this piece is inserted over here correctly. And now I'll again move the cube. I can see there is one more edge piece, yellow edge piece. So yellow and red. Now this is matched again with the red. So no need to match it. So I'll simply again take this is at the left side now again. So if it is at the left side, I'll simply do up, then I'll do side and down. So R U I R I. So simply when I did this, you can see my yellow is solved. This yellow is solved. So this is the second step of Pyraminx cube, and in the third step we have to solve the full layer. So there are two formulas which we need to use. So I hope you have got. I'll show you one more example for doing this yellow. Basically, one more time, as I said, I'm giving you example. How do we do the second step, doing the yellow properly? Now see, I have all the three pairs at the bottom and my RGB is always on the top, as I have told you. Now see, I have a yellow and blue color over here, edge piece. I have one edge piece. So in the second step, we have to search these edge pieces. So yeah, I have blue. So as I told, we have to match this blue with the blue center. So to match this, I have to move the cube like this. The upper layer I have to move, so it is matched now with the blue. Now we don't have to face yellow, we have to face the corresponding color, which is blue, and it is matched. So at this point I'll face it, and at this time it is at the left side. So when it is at the left side, as I told you, we have to do from the opposite side, we have to do up. So this is R, which is right up. Then this is U prime, which is like this. We are inserting the piece upper left to right, and then we are taking it down, which is RI, right down. So yeah, this piece is inserted over here. So again I have one more edge piece. You can see where I have yellow and green. So again the green is not matched with the green center, the corresponding color is green, so we have to match it. So what will simply move the cube, and yes, we have matched it with the center now. Again it is at the left side, so again I'll do up, side and down. So R U prime R prime. So yeah, and I have last one now. This is yellow and red, and yeah, you can see this is matched with the center over here. So simply what I'll do is I'll do up, side and down. It was at the left side, so I did right side up, side and down. So my yellow is completed. There are some special cases in this case. So see, like it was in the starting, see, the yellow is not completed, and on the top also there is no yellow edge pieces. You can see this edge piece is wrong over here. This is the wrong edge piece. So simply we have to take this edge piece out. So what we will do, we'll simply do up, side and down. So see, this edge piece will be out over here, and simply by matching it, we matched it. Now this is at the right side. So do up, side and down. So my yellow is done completely with the first layer. This is called as a proper yellow. Okay. There is one more special case you can observe, like see, sometimes the yellow is completed, which was in the starting we got this case. See, this yellow is completed, but you can see this side and this side is not complete. So these pieces are inserted wrong over here. So simply what we have to do, we have to remove these pieces from this side. So do up, side and down. So see, this piece is out now. So see the corresponding color. So it's green. So I'll match it with the green again and do up from this side, because it's at the left side, and then I'll do down. So you can see this piece is matched at the proper position. It's gone at the proper position, and yeah, this one is left. Now simply I'll insert it at the proper position. So yeah, this is the second step, doing the yellow with the proper first layer. Yeah, with this, the next step, our full cube is going to get solved. So yeah, let's get started with that thing. Now the third step. So in the third step, what we have to observe, we have to observe a bar. Now what does a bar means? Now you can see here, this red is solved like this, and but here it's not solved. So this edge piece is not matched with the center pieces. So this is not a bar. A bar means this should be properly done, like here red and here totally green. That is called as a bar. So you can see here only one side is solved, but at this side the edge piece is not matched. So this is also not a bar. And yeah, here it's totally not matched from both of the sides again. So this is also not a bar. So there are two cases in the third step. So the very first case is not having bar at any of the side, which is this one. So see, we don't have bar at none of the side. So only see, we have one side solved. So simply there is one formula to bring a bar. Okay. So to bring a bar, there is one formula which I'll apply right now. So it's a very simple formula, which is R means down, side, R up, then again side, down, again side, and R up. So you can see I have applied this formula, and you can see I have got one bar over here. Okay. So see, this was a very simple formula. Write down this side, up, side, down, side, up. So yeah, this was a very simple formula. Yes. So yeah, I can make a proper bar like this. And after getting a bar, this is case number 2 now. So in the case number 1, the scenario was we were having no bar. So when we were having no bar, we have to apply the formula downside, upside, downside, up. Then after that, once we get a bar, which is case number 2, so once we get a bar, we have to keep this bar at the back side. So this bar will be at the back side, facing the back. So you have to keep it at the opposite side, and simply you can see we have two unsolved edge pieces. Means these two edge pieces are not solved. Okay. So simply what we have to do, we have to face this, and there is one more algorithm. Yeah, one more sort of movements, notations which we have to do. So it is very simple, which is left down you have to do simply, then right down you have to do simply, then again you have to do left up simply, then right up simply, then you have to do UI like this, means you have to do side like this, then right up, u, and right down. So your cube will be solved. So I hope you have got this. This is very simple method to solve a pyramid cube. So the last formula for the revision purpose, I'm also giving the some notes in the description below, a PDF in the description below, where you'll be finding the algorithms and notations properly, how you do have to do. So when we have a bar, simply I'll show you, the movements are simple: left down, right down, left up, right up, then u prime, means upper like this, then right up, u, and right down. So after that, see, we get a, after that the cube would get solved. So I just, for the revision purpose, I shown you now. So if you want to see this formula again, I'll see the bar is there. Bar we have to keep at the back side, and simply then apply the formula, which is left down, left up, right up, then upper side like this, then right up, and u, right down. So the cube is solved. This is a very simple method to solve the cube without many formulas, with short formulas. So I have taught you. And yeah, for pyramid cube there are some notations, but in this cube I have not introduced you the notations, because this is a very beginner thing. But you would be aware of notations. For that purpose, I will tell you, the when we move the right side up, which is called as right up; when we do right down, that is called as right down; when we do left up, that is called as li. So upper, when we move the upper, this is u, which is upper right to left. Then this is u prime, which is upper left to right. So yeah, and at the back, when we move, this is back, like back. When we do b, back anti-clockwise, and when we do b prime, which is bi, so back clockwise. And then f is basically moving the front. So yeah, these are the notations of pyramids cube. I hope you have got the notations properly. Just for the knowledge purpose, I have told you the notations, because sometimes children don't get the movement. So you can teach them the notations first. You learn the notations first, and then go for the learning of pyramids cube. Below in the description, I'm giving you the PDF. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.